Sanibonani. Vuma JJ. How are you? Are you fine? Good. Siyajabula ukumbona. Baba siyathokoza ukuthi usinikeze istage. Kuyintokozo namhlanje ukuthi size la ekhaya ngoba sekhaya la. Sengineminyaka emingaki ekhaya? About 8 years.
I wasn't count. Yeah, it's about 8 years.
7 or 8. I 8.
8 years, yeah.
Yeah, 8 years. Yeah, what do you tell like ingane lena 8? Yeah, ngaye ngazala. Angizange. Politics.
I see it.
Okay, ngibingelele ngiyabona abayindaba la abamaphepha. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nikhona, ngibona nabasakazi. Khona abasakazi bomhlobo wenene. Makwetini, akusho njalo. Nama-artist akhona la, abaculi nabamaskandi nabeminye imikhakha bakhona. Nonke bahlobo sakunaphi ngokukhethelile ngidonse ngunje. Siyajabula ukuthi sibe khona la namhlanje baba.
Siyabonga kuba ukuthi ufika ekhaya.
Ikhona la.
Asukule.
Ngasaqala.
Kuba sifuna uqonisha namhlanje.
Baba.
Umsebenzi wethu. Baba zobiza ngaphansi baba.
Okay.
Bangena la stage. Monusha, Kevin. You know, once we start Kuluma Sizulu, it's tough to go back to English. So we'll try our best. Album, I want to try. He is spoken Essinghaus. See, Shai, double platinum.
Yeah! So, why is it
From 70s, I compose a scala kale album. Any album, Psyche, Internal Gold, Historically Gold. Historically Gold. Yeah, Historically Gold. And then,
hold for me.
Yeah. In Bongo, sing. Historically Gold. So I'm 70. I push to the same thing. This is financial. Any singing.
Oh, hold for me. Still coming.
And the Lenga is singing. I want a Lenga, my
Yeah.
I want to keep a last year. Then Kichumaka.
That's yeah.
Ishaiko.
Hold for me.
So, baby says you are go reactive. I want to be the chance keep. I think Jolo.
Ah,
Ishai Platinum.
Who's it? Okay, this one I can hold for me. Yeah. I can hold myself. This one.
I know. I was only SAU in the sun. Go to 70 ile
Okay, where is these people who are taking photos? Please come, guys. All must be shown on your camera here.
Yeah.
Baba, don't hide this one. Come forward.
Very cool.
Yeah.
What was you?
Nomala.
Hey, some kind of as a stage. Oh. Oh. Hey. So guys, this is what Tuzani has done. We are thankful as Universal to celebrate this legendary artist. We've done well, we've worked, sleepless nights, meetings after meetings, creativity after creativity, masters back and forth, hard work back and forth, but eventually we made it happen. And it's a team effort, not necessarily a singular effort, and we are grateful about Ukuba. Ukuba, he leading me to that, and it's celebrating.
Ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba ngibonge kakhulu ngaphandle kwesupport engiyitholayo kubalandeli donation nabonke abalandeli bomculo wamaskandi nani nonke ungabe namhlanje akanje uma sikhuluma ngeartist afihliwe lo iartist ethophile ngokudayisa umaskandi kukhulunywa ngendlamulenze ngisho le mali engingake nginika yona every month kanti isuka la siyabonga kakhulu cha isibonga kakhulu Universal nakwena baba uhleki ukuthi namhlanje iqobe umlando sibonga na insizwa kaZuma esibambisene nayo sibonga abafowethu sibambisene nabo e-studio nababala bonke oJJ keyboard onyana emhlophe uThuthani i-studio lapha kwaYani obaba uZuma ebiBeskita obaba uMadoda Ntshingila baningi akufuna ukuthi mhlawumbe kube khona ngathi ngishiyile obaphatha ufala ukwakuzwayo esigingqini namhlanje nakhu ukudla esikunikiwe kuthiwa hayi mfana hamba uyogiya ekhaya kukhona indawo izwabeka nje kahle lapha be-entertainment area mabengena bawobona lapha kunama-double platinum la ayeyodwa kunama-gold i-latest le-album isinengoma esishaye i-gold ziwu-2 ayiyodwa ziwu-2 nakhu bakwethu emlandweni emehlweni enu you are the golden generation because nibona into engakazi yabona obaba benu ngiyabonga
Asbogile, Kamlenze, Kuba, Of course.
Ayo para go perigiano. Ago perigiano. Ago perigiano. Ai Maria Sabet. Ai a Sabet.
Guys, thank you for your support. I'm sure, in fact, also the Universal leadership for giving us.
Baba, can you organize the bodyguards for me?
The Universal leadership for